Hello learners, my name is Sriram Shankaranarayanan
and I am Diptesh Ghosh. We will be teaching the pre-MBA statistics course.
Data has become increasingly important in the world of management. Data can be in the form of numbers or more recently, images, video, audio and so on. All this information is routinely analyzed in order to make business decisions. As a result, management decision making is increasingly become data-driven rather than data-based.
Even though data comes in various forms, it is usually converted into numbers for analysis. And a good way of analyzing numerical data is through statistical techniques. When you decide to enroll in an MBA program, statistics therefore becomes a very important tool in your toolbox. We will discuss some basic statistical concepts in this course.
Statistics is frequently regarded as intimidating because we associate statistics with a plethora of scary formulae. In this course, we will attempt to explain the logic behind these formulae and procedures you encounter in statistics.
As a result, when you encounter such formulas, you will understand why they are the way they are. Even if you do not use the formulas yourselves, you would be able to recall the methods by which these formulas arose and will be able to recreate those methods.
The course begins with a look at numerical data. Even though all numerical data are made up of numbers, what you can do with them varies with what they represent. We will talk about the different types of numerical data and what you can do with each type of data. Following that, we understand the basics of probability theory that introduces to a formal system to understand how data behaves. Following that, we'll also discuss about two central results, namely the law of large numbers and the central limit theorem, and the insight they provide us while dealing with data sets.
We'll also look at methods of making inferences about a population of data based on a relatively small random sample of the population's observations. This is a major reason why we conduct sample surveys. This process of guessing at population parameters based on a random sample is called estimation. And finally, we will discuss the process of testing whether the data obtained from a random sample could possibly come from a population with certain parameters. We talk about the framework that we use for these type of testing, the types of errors that could result from our conclusions, and the severity of these errors. We then demonstrate how we arrived at our conclusions. This process is called hypothesis testing.
So that is what we plan to cover in this course. We do not expect you to be familiar with statistical software, although it will be helpful if you are familiar with a spreadsheet software like Excel. We look forward to your joining this course.